2014 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, speed control, radio data system, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.